Welcome to the MangoBytes AI Agent Library Demo Vignette. This agent streamlines environmental and regulatory due diligence by automating data collection, analysis, and report generation through a single intelligent workflow. You'll see how acquisition teams can transform a list of leases or well numbers into a comprehensive due diligence package in a fraction of the time required compared to traditional manual processes. From the MangoBytes AI Agent Library with over 75+ approved AI agents, today we're showcasing the Acquisition and Divestitures Due Diligence Agent. Let's begin by exploring how this agent can assist users and why it's better. The agent automates environmental and regulatory due diligence by collecting information from multiple regulatory sources and organizing it into a standardized due diligence workflow. Instead of manually researching websites, compiling spreadsheets, and preparing reports, users receive a comprehensive, traceable due diligence package with significantly less manual effort and faster acquisition of decision-making. Next, let's explore the agent's capabilities. The agent can retrieve regulatory and environmental data, analyze well histories, permits, inspections, and compliance records, populate standardized Excel due diligence workbooks, generate draft report sections, and answer analytical questions across the collected data. However, it cannot replace professional due diligence judgment, interpret findings beyond the available regulatory information, or guarantee results when source records are incomplete or unavailable. Now let's examine the workflow. The workflow begins with a list of leases or well numbers, which the agent uses to retrieve regulatory and environmental information from multiple trusted sources. The collected data is then validated, cross-referenced, and organized into a standardized due diligence workbook with corresponding draft report sections, providing a complete and traceable due diligence package for review. Let's look at the measurable impact. The agent can reduce desktop due diligence from multiple weeks to less than 1 week, while reducing manual research and data compilation effort by up to 60 to 90%. The result is faster project delivery, improved consistency, and more time for acquisition teams to focus on analysis instead of data collection. Now let's walk through a real-world workflow. Getting started is simple. To begin an environmental and regulatory due diligence review, we upload list of leases or well numbers for the wells we want to investigate. Using these list of leases or well numbers, the agent automatically gathers regulatory and environmental information from multiple trusted sources, including well records, permits, inspections, compliance history, and environmental events. The agent then validates and cross-references the collected data, organizing it into a standardized due diligence dataset. Once the analysis is complete, the agent automatically generates a due diligence kit, populating each spreadsheet with the collected information and producing draft report sections that align directly with the worksheet. The agent can also generate a Word document summary based on the analyzed findings, providing a concise overview of the due diligence results. This gives users both the detailed Excel spreadsheet and a presentation-ready summary for review and decision-making. The completed spreadsheet and report are then made available for download, providing acquisition teams with a comprehensive, organized, and decision-ready due diligence package for review and final delivery. Thank you for your time today as we strive to be the gold standard human-centered agentic AI solution for energy, land, and renewables, delivering significant operating leverage and scalable growth opportunities for you. Learn more. Check out mangobytes.ai and contact us at pixie@mangobytes.ai.